Jesus Christ.
Whoa! Dude! Fucking!
Search NAB Business. NAB, more than money.
We make a lot of moves each day, so imagine if every single one of them could be in support of people living with cerebral palsy. Steptember is back. Register now at steptember.org.au.
Harvey Norman Clearance Centres now open. 2 only. Dandenong and Richmond.
Oh my fucking god, what the
stack that is as big as your phone. Like, I would think by now that there should be like a dozen good ones and 2 great ones that are like the size of X. Like, there's not a like there's like.
In the end, last night's 2-1 win over Thailand didn't score them automatic qualification into the cup, with Saudi Arabia upsetting Japan this morning to make the cut over the Roos on goal difference. The Aussie side will now be forced to
than me, so let's cut him off at the knees, which manifested itself brutally in the Soviet Union. And then there's the ideological totality issue, which gives people a sense of
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.